Hi and welcome to the Hooibuch facility. We are here today with the ZÜRN 160. We got that machine out of the production and I will show you in a short video the most important features of that new harvester. Let's jump straight into the heart of the machine, the threshing system. In the ZÜRN 160 we're talking about a 450mm diameter threshing drum, and in combination with a large wrapping angle of the concave, which is 138 degree, we got a friction based threshing which results in a perfect sample quality, so it's gentle to the grain and efficient. To show you also the rear straw beater drum, we can simply slide out the whole weighing system. Here we got a second service door to access the rear straw beater drum, but also the front part of the straw walkers. And for even better access, you can find similar service doors on the right hand side. After the threshing system, let's now have a look at the cleaning system, the sieves and the wind. To have better access, we will now swing up the chopper to have both me and the camera in there. The residue grain separation after the threshing system is done with 4 straw walkers on the ZÜRN 160. Each of them has 2 falling steps, and altogether we are talking about 1.9 square meter separation surface. And you got good accessibility from the back, but also from the top through the engine platform in case you ever have to clean it or whatever. From the straw walkers, but also from the threshing system, the grain comes onto that green central belt, and this belt transfers the grain and non-grain material to the cleaning area, to the sieves. But before it actually enters the sieves, the material has a high falling step, more than 20 centimeters, down to the top sieve. You can see a pre-cleaner, so you have a very efficient pre-cleaning before the material even enters the top sieve. The sieve area on the ZÜRN 160 consists of 2 lamella sieves, both are counteracting, and you can individually adjust them in angle to react to extreme harvesting conditions, and also you can change the sieves without the use of any tools. This large and efficient cleaning system in the ZÜRN 160 is the perfect basis for a further onboard analysis in the machine. Like the very clean sample quality results in a perfect accuracy of the measurements of weight, of the content with NIR analysis and so on. Okay, let's now focus on the weighing system. We are pretty flexible to tailor the machine according to the individual customer's needs. And looking at this module which we pulled out before, here we got the actual weighing system hardware. We could install a ZÜRN Weasel weighing system. There is a ZÜRN and Harvest Master hybrid solution. There is a full Harvest Master system. We offer a Slingman system. So there are different combinations available, and basically just these components here vary, while the module is always the same. The framework with this injection sluice at the bottom with additional service doors and this tube bringing the grain up to the cabin or to the grain tank. After the functional components, we will now focus on what actually moves the combine forward. Let's start with the rear axle. This massive multi-link rear axle moves to the side while it pivots. That way we can allow enough clearance for the tires to be at full lock, like have a good turning circle, even in rough terrain, and the machine has a good stability. This machine here is equipped with a fully integrated John Deere Auto Track system. That's why we have this steering wheel angle sensor at the rear axle. The robust front axle has one central driving motor with a fully mechanical diff lock, and the wheels have an outside track width of 1.75 or 2 meters when you turn them around. In the field, it is essential that the engine power is available where it's actually required. Besides the ground drive, this is mostly the functional components like the thrashing system. We have therefore had a huge focus on designing the drive line for all these functional components in an efficient way. So we have these gearboxes, only few belt drives, and make sure that there's enough power where you actually need it. And besides this efficiency benefit, this also is beneficial regarding serviceability. Talking about serviceability, we are here now on the engine platform. You got good, easy and especially safe access to all important maintenance points, like for example the oil dipstick, but also the air filter on the right hand side. But even hard to access service points, for example the Walker bearing right here, are easy to access on the ZÜRN 160. It's just one bolt and you can swing out the diesel tank. And when you now, after a long harvesting day, want to load the ZÜRN 160 quickly and safely on a trailer, you can make use of the 8 large lashing points all around the machine. They're placed in a high position, so the machine is sitting stable on the truck or trailer. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to have more information on the cabin of this beautiful harvester, you can find a separate video right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks.